Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag, indun jiba. The Ojibwe have a couple of names for the month of March. One, quite common in the area where I'm from in northern Minnesota, is simply Onaabani-giizis. Onaabani-giizis. Another, Bebukwagame-giizis. Bebukwagame-giizis. The difference between them, Onaabani-giizis means crusted snow moon. Bebukwagame-giizis means broken snowshoe moon, and both describe the same weather experience that we often have in March, where you get your first days of warming, and as the weather warms up, the snow begins to compact, and it's most heavily compacting towards the top. Then it freezes and you get that crusted snow. And if somebody's out snowshoeing, they can easily break through. And it's a time of year that is both hard to get around because you still have deep snow, but the crusted snow on top. And it's hard on supplies like snowshoes. In some other areas, they will actually call March Onaabani-giizis, Onaabani-giizis, and that means crow moon. A lot of people don't realize, because we often see crows all year long, that the crows do migrate, and they will still stay in winter areas, but the crows are on the move in March back to their summer nesting grounds. So Onaabani-giizis is another common name for the month of March. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.